When you need care, being able to share your health information with your provider quickly and conveniently matters. Sometimes that still looks like paper intake, clipboards, and logging in to multiple patient portals. But athenahealth and b.well are changing that, with a new point-of-care intake workflow that cuts down the paperwork and puts patients in control. Patients securely connect their health records in apps powered by b.well. This allows them to see their health data in a single view. The patient chooses what to share for the visit based on the reason for care. A QR code makes the authorized data available at check-in. Staff scan the code, review the information, and add it directly into the patient's chart in Athena One. After the visit, the patient receives an appointment summary from the provider, available in both their Athena patient portal and apps powered by b.well. A simpler intake, a clearer picture, and a more connected experience at the moment of care.